I'm going to guide you on how to see who view your Snapchat story. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, launch your Snapchat app. Then tap on your profile icon on your top left corner. Then you will see settings icon on your top right corner. Just tap on it. Then you will scroll down. Then under privacy control, you are going to see view my story. So just tap on it. Then here is where you can determine who can view your story. So when you tap on friends only, it is only your friends who are going to view your Snapchat story. And if you tap on custom, you can select specific friends who will view your Snapchat story. And if you do not see the friends here, you can go to find friends on the search at the top there. Then you can search for specific friends who you want to view your Snapchat story. And that's how you can simply see who view your Snapchat story. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice time.